So guys, for the first method, once you're on Microsoft Word, you want to click on File in the top left, and now you want to click on Open, and now you want to click on Browse. And now once this comes up, you want to find the file that you're having a problem with. So for me, it's on my desktop. I have it right here. I'm going to click on it one time, which will now appear here. So for the first method, on the right hand side, where it says All Files, you want to click on the drop down. And now you want to select Recover Text from any file. Now you want to click on Open. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on File in the top left again. And now you want to click on Open. Now once this comes up, you want to click on Browse. And now once you're on this, again, you want to find your Microsoft Word document. Once you find it, you want to click on it. And now this time, where it says Open, on the drop down, you want to click on it. You want to select Open and Repair. See if that works for you.